Hi, this is a quick video on how to remove the spare tire from a 2021 Honda Ridgeline. As you can see, you just go to the bed, you open the bed compartment, and you will see the spare tire in the jack. Very simple. See these two little handles here? They're screwed in. You just loosen those and take them out. There's one on the left side, there's one on the right side. Once you do this, you're able to reach and grab the whole tray and slide it out. You'll see your jack right there. You just unstrap it. You'll also see your fuel filter filler. That's a spare tire. It's a 17-inch spare tire on my truck. And you also have the lug wrench. And if you'll see another T-handle, if you loosen that, that'll remove the little tray, which allows you to take the spare tire out. Once you get through, you just slide it all, put it back together, slide it back in, and you put the little handles in. That's the hardest part. Get one side started and then the other. I hope this helps. I appreciate it, and thanks for watching.